Hi friends, one more equation we can balance now. The reaction is between lead 2 oxide and ammonia to form lead, water and nitrogen. This equation has to be balanced now. I have written the atoms present in the reactants as well as in the products, that is lead, then nitrogen, hydrogen, then oxygen. The lead at the reactant side, how many atoms are there? Here, this is lead, PbO. There, Pb is present only one time. This lead at the right hand side, how many times? Here also only one time. Nitrogen at the left hand side, only one time. Nitrogen at the right hand side, here the subscript 2 is there. Therefore, 2 atoms are there at the right hand side. Hydrogen at the left hand side, 3, because in NH3 subscript 3 is there. Therefore, 3 hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen at the product side, that is the right hand side, how many times? 2 times. In water, hydrogen is 2 times. Oxygen at the left hand side, 1 time. Oxygen at the right hand side also is only 1 time. Friends, now we have listed the atoms. Now we can check which atoms are not equal. What we can do that. So when we check from the first the metal lead, both the side 1 1, they are equal. But in nitrogen, the right hand side 2 atoms are there, but in the left hand side just only 1 atom. So what we can do, this 1 atom can be multiplied by this 1 atom can be multiplied by, what is that, 2. This 2 we need to write as a coefficient of nitrogen. This nitrogen is present in ammonia. Therefore, this 2 has to be written as a coefficient of ammonia. So when we write this 2 as a coefficient of ammonia, what happens? This 2 belongs to nitrogen as well as hydrogen. So as a result, hydrogen also will change. So hydrogen already 3 times, the subscript is there, therefore 3 times. Now when we multiply with the coefficient 2, 2 times 3, that is equal to 6. So hydrogen turns to 6 at the left hand side. But the hydrogen at the right hand side, how many times are there? Only 2 times. So in order to make it equal, so what we need to do, this 2 has to be multiplied by 3. This hydrogen, where it is in water. So the water molecule has to be multiplied by 3. 3 has to be written as a coefficient of water. So when we multiply this water by 3, then what happens? The oxygen will change because this 3 belongs to hydrogen as well as oxygen. So oxygen now becomes 3 at the right hand side. So the 1 will change into 3. But the left hand side, only 1 oxygen atom is there. Therefore, what we need to do, this 1 has to be multiplied by 3. So this oxygen is present in lead oxide. So this lead oxide together we need to multiply by 3. That is 3 is written as a coefficient of lead 2 oxide. So when we multiply this 3 to this lead 2 oxide, what happens? The lead atoms will change. Already it was mentioned 1, but now it is multiplied by 3. Therefore, this 1 has become now 3. But the right hand side lead atom, how many times are there? Only one time. So what we need to do, this 1 has to be multiplied by 3. So that 3 we need to write as a coefficient of lead. So here we can write it. So now let's check the atoms on the left hand side and the right hand side. Pb, both the side the number of atoms are 3. Nitrogen, both the side the number of atoms are 2. Hydrogen, both the sides the number of atoms are 6. Oxygen, both the sides the number of oxygen atoms are 3. So all the atoms on the reactant side and the product side of the elements are equal. Therefore, now the equation is balanced. So the balanced chemical equation is 3 moles of lead 2 oxide, 2 moles of ammonia gives 3 moles of lead plus 3 moles of water plus 1 mole of nitrogen. Thank you so much for watching.